Enti Kofi Tonto abe fire back at critics. Omo as a NPP defeat no in 2004 mu da be gu Bawumia nko as so media ne so a. Bawumia no obi attack ni say Bawumia na 2004 no an ofeli ye an wo ye say just say I just wonder. I say Bawumia no obi ani san en minim de nti e kosa. Kofi Tonto e kire mu say NPP for na mudi money ansi Bawumia so ne de nyame anim nukure ni mu nyae. Enya Bawumia nko na ruling government no NPP for nyina na ruling government no etimu nya se mudi money ansi Bawumia nko aso no me man kire mu no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me so ase ni di mo obe like video no ada ma boss subscribe button so na click bell notification icon for latest updates na ba kire wadwen da ama me e wo comment section me so so e ba so no a share for so enya bi ahwe yezahwe NPP party ni mabusia me nim de e koso fine your flag bearership race mu a obia eye na proud obia kan nsem se ebeto delegate na so no be kwa abatu beto ama no ma choose no se ono emeye flag bearer for the party in 20 January election mu no na as bibi abeye trend omu nyina no the various candidate no ase obia pese or shine a what shine this say obe opinion Bawumia this say obeye mo bana dwe kire Bawumia obetie ana Bawumia failed. He was a failed candidate. Ana no on na hwan into failure sa ne de it is adene but as if said they say Bawumia nko na ebu oman konkono Ghana. It's so interesting. Say as Bawumia nko na ebu Ghana so no nko na de Ghana so na say ono nko na run Ghana all run the economic affairs and everything regarding Ghana. As Bawumia nko na Ghana ye dey actually say omu Ghana. Meanwhile, na the embodiment of NPP as a political party and a Ghana kunyana so. As enka various MPs no obia constituency ko ye adwuma woni kromu a anka NPP ebesa we seat no 2024 banku ko ba ende ase obia atwene ho eno mu de omani si Bawumia nko as e ma nan se mete se Bryan Champon e ka se Bawumia faili na oba no obi aka so bia arrest dollar no ye dia kunya na ma NDC na dollar eda 17
the man Dr Bawumia na the office the office of the vice president nipa 100,000 napko ye ntime ntromuka at the office of the vice president ama ye lose election etosum ye nu Ekufuadu se odi abrantie bi ba ama na be hihye Ghana sika ama emu aye de ama odi ahoto aye den abreye ye fa dollar no from 4 ye pam ye fi aban mu na dollar no was 17 yama how much the economy no na run na fa win election ma wo ho ye de 54 e de accord 17 e profile ye line e wo ministry of finance e gina ye konso e job sika areho ye de apam ye say fertilizer na beje ye lusu wo ba subi ho no subi ye due bro wo ho ye ko lusu ye vote akofo kwada so ha ebro ahin ye bia wa ha circle I lose to over 20,000 ye due bro wo circle sa propaganda no enko ba bia muma ye fanto nche ye nyina kwada so ye matured constituency ye nim ensem ni bi wo ho no ma ye ntimi fa ya no enka wo platform so stage so enso ye nyina wa ha ye nim nyema e ko so ye lose ye anti a ye repeat candidate a enko ye maye.
Just imagine this. Just imagine this. Just imagine this. Like, come on. The internal politics na cause one people party mo no. Oh, mo enye fine. Enye penny for mu di party no mama. Enkura na was ye no. Omu abeda ne ntoko wo mu ntem nti say esi anoko TikToker. I think say me nipa bi zoom ne some omu go beef there be back and forth we ewo Bawumia camp we ewo Ken Agyapong camp enya nice ni nyina free mpanimfo ne mo kanka as obi apese oyi ne hu free NPP defeat na eba ye 2024 no obi apese oyi ne hu free mu no onka ho bi ase no onka ho he wasn't part of the party no onka ho bi Bawumia nkwa ne yemfa nso ano ase ne sai e ma ibi kwa ase kwa na ase we na Bryan Champon kan no. But the Bank of Ghana, ABS Bryan Champon said there be dollar was never traded at 17 cedis, and when NPP was leaving office, now dollar at 14.6. But once the Bank of Ghana ABS Bryan Champon, who say NDC will use this against you people in 2020 election. Say be na Ken Agyapong starting 2022. And NDC mo NPP mo Lucy about mo Lucy ne. Ye ko 24 election no. Ye issue yankasa and some of ye pay for your number no. And for you against us. Because Ken Agyapong the call your interview because say Bawumia fail, MP Akufo fail. Bawumia so be arrest $1 and then agent the same thing and I'm also saying this time no. Now I don't know Kofi Tonto say there be a home saying in a passage, but the rate at which I say Mudi Bawumia ni ma form kasa Bawumia ni basa no e di blame ni nyama Bawumia ne de enye nice munyai.
Mahmoud Bawumia was not and cannot be the singular feature in why we lost the election.
Especially his religion and his origin.
Especially his religion and his tribe and his origin. Are you irresponsible? Are you deceitful? Are you dishonest? Are you shameful? And anybody participating, obia, or you know, overtly and covertly, you must be ashamed of yourself. Because me tia, se me ho do domina me ko hospital la, me ko busa doctor no, ne religion a oye den, oye. Wo ka sa asem no. Se wodo be ko suku mpa teacher obe kire na de no, umusa no tribe, no abusa no religion. NPP for, we don't need a showdown. We need a calm down and a sober reflection that indeed we did our best in the face of the adversity, in the face of the challenges that confronted us. We did our best, but we didn't get it all right. So we don't need a showdown. We don't need aggression. We don't need arrogance. What we need is a calm down. Say, let's soberly reflect on the way forward. What can we do different? What do we go back to the Ghanaian with? That Samuma ya Penyah way new way and ye bayan saying fufro. A sea hene near two a hene. One more womudi 2 minutes ma yeno. Yambusa hosi anu omudi ni ye. That is the honest conversation we must have. Obi enya no hu duabroni enko asi ahenefo ho enko tutu jamu enka nkyere asi ahenefo se wo mu nyina ya abonefo me de me ne nokwafo meni agenkwa na amaba no obi ene ho ya agenkwa ye nyina one way or the other eniema ba ku bi etochima. We cannot heap the blame on anybody, especially on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Onye bone was some party or the nekra ne ready ni nimdie ejina ho ama party sabi wonu mu a omayi omu nyina obi asefata mentena han kaka se fin fire ra komprekun da sanso na menka bi mfa Bryan ho sanso na menka bi mfa yewra dutwum ho yewra kwabena Agyapong podie obeye trotro panyi ma party ono so wasom ba no kwasam ne say ye pedie sabi owo public service experience the full gamut a complete overhaul public service experience to leader. There is no other. From the technical skills at the Bank of Ghana, from the teaching skills, from the bilateral skills, from multinational positions I will hold here, from the vice presidential opposition. Please, let me talk. All of these things make him up. You see, the failure in your logic and the failure in the logic of many is that those who claim that they are businessmen, they cannot tell their story without the challenges they were confronted with. So the challenges you highlight in Bawumia's story does not make him weak. Rather, it makes him resilient. Because utia kwasichim ukofane betena ha. Now we cast a 25-year history no on narrative. I dare you say, 75% will be challenges. But doesn't that make him a failure?
No.
The leaders, you are a compare on the companies are waseti. I dare you see a kofane betnaha. Na ye interrogating na obeka chira say majority of his challenges answer na obenya yedie. The same with Bryan, the same with everybody. It is a Bawumia assuming without admitting. Sa Bawumia nya challenges are. The question is, was he able to stand up? Was he able to show resilience? The answer is yes. In the face of adversity, he showed up. And now Bank of Ghana, and America, Bank of Ghana say, the economy that has turned around is grounded on the ideas of gold for oil, grounded on the ideas for domestic gold purchase, grounded on the ideas for the gold coin. America, the deputy governor of Bank of Ghana under Mahama and the kind me boa catch me.
Kofi me nasa de wo kana me no.
Enti esi ahene ne etu ahene. De yesre mo se Kristo ya adom nem repane so a. Monka yerama. But today I wanted to put it on record. Say nobody can blame Mahmoud Bawumia as the singular individual causing a defeat. That is an insult to the Ghanaian.
But because somebody can say ono so ka ho.
Mr. Make Kasano.
Okay.
Me say collective because Bawumia is not a saint. He was part of decisions I take in your cabinet.
Very well.
It's like somebody telling me say Bawumia is in charge of the economy. No, I am member of parliament. We are member of parliament. You cannot blame Bawumia's economic management decisions and take yourself out, because there is not a single economic decision that will go into the budget that a member of parliament will not have to vote on and approve on. 80 e-levy yet to can to be e-levy betting tax can to be sana Bryan to be sana duchun to be all the bosia ye boy no all the bosia na ye boy ya
na omunyina wo
parliament omunyina approve rules no
very well.
Enti sa wo be ka kire me economic management now ye member of parliament unless you have a record
so you abstain from
that you abstain from all of these economic decisions, because all economic decisions come together under the budget. And let one of them tell me which budget they absented from. So Bawumia is part of the collective. Not once. In fact, on February 7th, 2024, our man first speech at UPSA, he admitted, say baby I free Benny, I was part of it, I played a role, and I was proud of the role I played. But I accept that there were challenges. Bawumia has never and will never take himself away.
For my home video be, and I think it's honorable Bryan Champo who share delegates be not make argument about say another father branch be so my economy my and all corner dollar near or buy another dollar near for corner dollar near 70. And I think this misconception I don't know culminate every time to our defeat. Because you say these things even within internal politics and you expect say the general elections that will not be used against us. Let us put it on record, say the office of the vice president, regardless of whoever occupies that office, that office can only make suggestions to the finance ministry. There's a finance minister. There's a finance minister responsible for finance and economic planning. There was. Unless anybody can convince me that in the 2 term of Akufo-Addo, now you need finance minister. So everything was done by the economic management team headed by the vice president. That committee or that team was only advisory. And if I put in suggestions, not the suggestions, whoever is supposed to implement it, tactically, why not? What can I do? What is this? Even
there is this thing that I want to say. Na ehamepa. In fact, yen yina ye name say enchina NPP woman primaries na e ba be koso. Now, if there is one person me who say Ghana for the dona disrespecting with ease, Dr. Bawumia. Nkrofo kassetia with ease. A man for kassetia one a year with ease. As a open nipa ba kwa krumu ha, a man for timi dinner temper, woman you Dr. Bawumia kaho. And I've sat down and I decided to think about it. Say, I didn't netisa ne bonia wa ye ne day. Ye nyina ye jitumo. I have my personal opinions about the man. And then the new man who do be obey ye and the promises be near the Emma May. I hold a strong opinion that MPP Pobia Mane leadi a year womo party now. It shouldn't be Dr. Bawumia. But at the same time, no, I feel like the kind of insults, any criticisms are a cornerstone of the man doesn't deserve that. As a too much. As a nipa no mu bi mpena asem sa keke nipa no mu bi tiny keke. Na yere Samira wonye wo bia bone but wo mutimi di na tema to the point that wonye Ghana ni where you have cars ni ade ade a amanfo timi keka ne ma bebree fa ne ho. And I'm thinking of it that as a man ne yere no manfo di wo ma tem dodo. Dr. Bawumia and the wife. Amanfo di wo ma tem too easily. Like people insult them too easily for unprovoked. Amanfo di wo ma tem. And I feel it is not fair. It's not very, very fair. It's not fair at all because or you nipa ba irrespective of the short force in now, me say or you one very personal or you're very gentle, very calm. Just that you may be and then the promises been in instance simi or kaya memusa or you may be me personally as I sit here. Me say nense ko ye or can maybe me say nense worker. Irrespective of all those things, and I believe that he deserves every bit of respect that we need to give to the man, because you may be a man for kasa editiano no ayana and semfata. Now, that being said, and Chibiana primaries name Baso, who do you tip to be the MPP's next flag bearer? Dr. Bawumia, Honorable Ken Agyapong, Bryan Ken Agyapong, Dr. Osei, Yawadichum, Sankrofo, why not also beat Melody Party in the correct way.
Ubet machire waje amami. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah media.